If you're a real estate agent, chances are you've had a deal fall apart because of your buyer's credit. I know it's frustrating. You've shown the homes, you've built the relationship, and then the lender says they don't qualify. And just like that, you lose the time, energy, and potentially thousands in commission. But what if I told you there's a way to turn those dead leads into closed deals? I'm Sam Parker, CEO of My Credit Guy, and I want to show you how smart realtors are closing more deals by partnering with the credit repair experts at My Credit Guy. Let's be real. Not every buyer walks in with a perfect 750 credit score. We wish they all did, but life happens. Collections, medical debt, divorce, student loans, you name it. Some of these buyers aren't bad leads. They just need a little help and a little bit of time. And that's where we come in. When you refer a client to My Credit Guy, we give them a free, no pressure credit review. We don't charge upfront fees, even if they do need our services. And we're transparent, fast, and most importantly, we focus on getting them mortgage ready. And that obviously helps get them buying ready. Here's how it helps you as a realtor. First, it protects your time. Instead of showing homes to buyers who aren't ready, we help them get on track while you focus on clients who are already qualified. And that means less time wasted and more time closing. Second, it builds loyalty. When you help someone fix their credit, the bottom line is it changes their life and they don't forget. They'll come back to you when they're ready to go, time and time again. And considering that most agents do one deal per life with each of their buyers, this is going to help those numbers. Third, it grows your pipeline. Most agents only work with the top 30% of the leads they get, the ones who already qualify. But what about the other 70%, the vast majority who want to buy and can't yet? That's your opportunity. If you have a partner who can guide them back to approval, you're turning cold leads into warm ones and then growing your long-term business, all while you aren't the one actually putting in the work. You're sending them over to a trusted partner. So let me give you an example. A realtor that we work with in Texas referred us a couple who got denied for an FHA loan with a 563 credit score. 6 months later, after working with us, they were sitting at 684 and got fully approved. That agent closed a deal that would have otherwise been dead. Now multiply that by a few clients a year, and that's a serious increase in commission and the bottom line without any extra effort, just small tweaks in your current process. And here's the best part. We keep you in the loop the whole time. You'll know exactly where your client stands, when they'll be ready, and when to pick the process back up. It's a team effort, and we take that very seriously. So if you're a realtor not yet using My Credit Guy as part of your strategy, you're leaving money on the table, I promise. You don't have to be a credit expert. You just need a trusted partner who is. Let us help you turn more no's into not yets and more not yets into signed contracts. Head to mycreditguy.com and click on the Partners tab to learn how we work with agents like you all across the country, or reach out to me directly. We'll get you everything you need to start referring business with confidence. And if this helped you, please hit the like button or subscribe for more insider tips, and share this with another agent who you think needs to hear it. I'm Sam Parker, and we're here to help you close more loans and lose less.